How to enable or disable camera access in Microsoft Edge. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Privacy, Search and Services from the left-hand panel. Next, scroll down and select Site Permissions. Then click All Permissions to view the full list of available permissions. Find and select Camera from the list. At the top of the page, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose which camera Edge should use if multiple cameras are connected to your computer. Below that, you'll find the default behavior setting. If Ask Before Accessing is turned on, websites can request permission to use your camera before gaining access. If you turn this option off, camera access will be blocked for websites by default. You can change this setting at any time depending on your privacy preferences and how you use the browser. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable camera access in Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.